Welcome to our video tutorial on how to learn Python coding. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that is widely used in a variety of industries, including web development, data science, scientific computing, game development, and many more. If you're new to programming, or simply looking to add Python to your skill set, this video is for you. We'll start with the basics of Python, including data types, variables, and control flow, and then move on to more advanced concepts such as functions, classes, and modules. Throughout the video, we'll also provide examples and exercises to help you practice and solidify your understanding of the material. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge and skills to start building your own Python programs. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this video is the perfect resource for learning Python coding. Let's get started. In Python, a variable is a container that holds a value. Variables are used to store data that can be later accessed and modified by the program. In Python, you can create a variable by simply assigning a value to a name using the assignment operator, equals. For example, x equals 5 years equals hello z equals 1, 2, 3. Here, x is a variable that holds the integer value 5, y is a variable that holds the string hello, and z is a variable that holds a list of integers. Control flow refers to the order in which the instructions in a program are executed. Python uses control flow statements, such as if-else statements, for loops, and while loops, to control the flow of execution in a program. For example, x equals 5 if x greater than 0 : print x is positive else print x is negative. Here, the if-else statement is used to check if the value of x is greater than 0. If it is, the program prints x is positive, otherwise it prints x is negative. Another example. For I in range 5, print I. This for loop will iterate over the range of numbers from 0 to 4 and print each number. It's important to understand the control flow statements in Python and how to use them correctly to write efficient and effective code. A function is a block of code that can be executed multiple times. Functions are used to organize and reuse code, making it more readable and maintainable. Functions are defined using the def keyword, and they can take one or more arguments as input and can return one or more values as output. For example, def add x, y, return x plus result equals add 3, 4 print result hash output, 7. Here, the add function takes two arguments x and y, and returns their sum. The function is called with the values 3 and 4, and the result is assigned to the variable result. A class is a blueprint for creating objects, a particular data structure, providing initial values for state, member variables or attributes, and implementations of behavior, member functions or methods. Classes in Python are defined using the class keyword, and they can have both data members and methods. For example, class dog def _init _self, name, age, self.name equals name self.age equals adjective bark self, print woof. Dog 1 equals dog Fido, 3 dog 1. Bark hash output, woof. Here, the dog class has two data members name and age, and a method bark. An object of the dog class is created with the name Fido and age 3, and the bark method is called on the object, which prints woof. A module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. The file name is the module name with the suffix "added." A module can define functions, classes, and variables. A module can also include runnable code. For example, hash mymodule.python y, return x plus y class dog def _init _self, name, age, self.name equals name self.age equals adjective bark self, print woof. hash using the module in another file. Import mymodule result equals mymodule.add3, 4 print result hash output, 7 dog1 equals mymodule.dogFido, 3 dog1.bark hash output, woof. Here, the mymodule module contains a function add and a class dog. The module is imported in another file and the function and class are used. It's important to understand how to use functions, classes and modules in Python as they provide a way to organize, reuse and share code effectively. Here's an example of a simple program that uses a function, a class, and a module. First, create a new file named mymodule.py and enter the following code.
Def add x, y, return x plus y class dog def _init _self, name, age, self.name equals name self.age equals adjective bark self, print woof.
This module defines a function add that takes 2 arguments and returns their sum and a class dog that has a constructor _init_ and a method bark. Now, create a new file named main.py and enter the following code. Import mymodule result equals mymodule.add3, 4 print result dog1 equals mymodule.dogFido, 3 dog1.bark. This code imports the mymodule module and uses the add function and the dog class defined in the module. The function add is called with the arguments 3 and 4 and the result is printed. A new dog object is created and the bark method is called on the object, which prints woof. You can run the main.py file in command line or by running python main.py, you should see the output :7 woof. This is a simple example of how you can use functions, classes, and modules to organize and reuse your code in Python. You can experiment with this example by adding more functionality to the dog class or by creating new functions and classes in the mymodule module. In conclusion, learning to code in Python is a valuable skill that can open up a wide range of opportunities in software development, data science, and artificial intelligence. The Python language is easy to learn, expressive and versatile, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. In this video, we've covered the basics of Python programming, including data types, variables, control flows, functions, classes, and modules. We've also provided examples that you can try for yourself to help you get started with your Python journey. Remember that practice is key to becoming proficient in any new skill, so be sure to keep experimenting with different Python concepts and building your own projects. And don't hesitate to seek out resources such as online tutorials, forums, and books to help you learn. With dedication and perseverance, you'll be coding like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching.